3-1. Point is pink team. 2-3. 2-3. Point is green team. Green team. 4-2. Green team 4 points, pink team 2 points. Point is green team 5-2. 5-2. Pink team 2 points alliದೆ. ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಪಿಂಕ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಟೀಮ್ 3-5. 3-5. With an elevated performance, 3-5. Rotate with the 14 points. Blue is outdone. Point is pink team 4-5. Pink team 4 points. Green team 5 points. 1 point leading team. ಆಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ. What a wonderful performance. 19 points for blue. Point is green team. For pink. 19 6 22. 6-4. Your performance is so energetic. Outbound point is pink team 5-6. Pink team 5 points. Green team 6 points. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಫೈಟ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. 1-1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವರು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 6 each. 6